Most of you still don't know that there are machines so big and massive they wouldn't even fit on a regular highway. Some are so huge it takes days just to transport and assemble them. And once they finally start moving, the ground literally shakes beneath them. These giant machines don't appear in normal cities or on busy highways, and most people will never see one in real life. They work deep inside massive mines, underground tunnels, and remote industrial sites, moving mountains of dirt, tearing through solid rock, and doing jobs no human workforce could ever handle alone. Ever wondered what the biggest industrial machine on Earth actually looks like? Or what kind of insane job requires something that massive? Well, today you're about to find out. And one machine on this list is officially the largest moving machine ever built by humans. If you're ready, let's begin. Starting from number 10. Deep inside giant coal mines, there's a machine so huge it makes normal trucks look tiny. This is the Crest Coal Hauler, built by Crest Corporation in the United States for massive mining operations. Standing beside it feels unreal. Its tires alone are taller than most people. And when this giant starts moving, the ground literally shakes beneath it. The truck can carry over 180 tons of coal in a single trip. That's like carrying dozens of fully loaded cars at the same time. Workers say standing near it sounds like being next to a moving train mixed with an earthquake. But somehow, this is only the beginning, because the next machine was built to push mountains of dirt like they were nothing. Number 9 in the list is Komatsu D575A-3SD. This isn't just a bulldozer, it's a monster on tracks. The Komatsu D5 was built by Komatsu in Japan, and it's the largest bulldozer in the world. Its blade is so wide that several people could stand across it side by side. And when it starts pushing dirt, rocks, and debris, almost nothing can stop it. This machine was created for giant mining operations where normal bulldozers simply aren't powerful enough. Its massive metal tracks crush the ground beneath it while its engine roars like a tank. Workers often use guide teams just to help move it safely around mining sites, and transporting this beast is a nightmare. In fact, moving one from place to place can take days. But unbelievably, the next machine doesn't just push material, it carries entire mountains of it. We have come to number 8 on the list. Imagine climbing stairs just to enter a truck. That's exactly what it's like with the Caterpillar 797F. Built by Caterpillar in the United States, this is one of the largest mining trucks ever created. This thing is so massive that its wheels are nearly as tall as a small house, and each tire costs as much as a luxury car. The 797F can carry over 400 tons of material in a single load. That means one trip from this truck can replace dozens of normal dump trucks. Mining workers say driving it feels less like operating a truck, and more like commanding a moving building. When fully loaded, this giant weighs more than some ships. But somehow, there's another truck even bigger than this one, and it completely changed the mining world forever. Number 7 is BLAZ 75710. This machine is almost impossible to understand until you see a human standing beside it. The BelAZ 75710 was built by BelAZ in Belarus, and it's officially one of the biggest dump trucks on Earth. Honestly, it looks more like a monster than a vehicle. This giant can carry 450 tons of material in one trip. That's heavier than multiple airplanes combined. Its fuel tank is enormous. Its staircase looks like the entrance to a building, and its engines are so powerful they sound like jet turbines when they start. Workers inside mines say seeing it move for the first time feels terrifying, especially at night. But even this giant truck is small compared to what comes next, because the next machine doesn't just carry dirt, it tears entire sections of Earth apart.